even one of them come off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and using on the precise end at the needles, and we are going to check. I'm usually check first, and then when I start seeing it scratchy, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of a precision glue gel. You don't need a whole lot, little go a long way. And you can definitely seal it again as you needed it. You feel like when I do this and the client's, oh my goodness, it feels scratching on my hair. Sure. Let me flash here first, and then I will seal another or wherever part that you feel you was like catching on the hair or the clothes. So then they can still really enjoy the beautiful, gorgeous of the crystal. It doesn't look just like beautiful like Instagram nail. It's going to be a real nails that they can wear every day and still do their work, because you want them to be happy. They want them to keep continue doing what they're doing and their job. So then guess what? They're getting able to get the budget for their nails again. So, and I'm going to go ahead and seal. This is like you can using the needle end, or you can pull out on the other end, which is on this end. I'm going to show you really quick in shortly. I'm going to seal the beads first. It's beautiful beads. I love it. Keep in mind, you can twist this. You can turn this one to a little twist. You can do this in like a background in pink. It's going to be cute for pink Valentine nails with like zebra. It's so cool. Maybe you'll see my nails later today. I have an idea for the nails. And then now I see this. Oh, I want this. Okay, seals it off. Don't lose this red cap. And we are going to close this. Make sure they close it, and then don't throw the red cap away, because you get open the package. You're so excited you threw the red cap away because it's getting your way, but actually it's protecting your way. So don't throw it away. Seal, and then it prevent from getting clogs, and then prevent from getting spilling. I'm go ahead and using the Precision brush from the Precision glue gels on the other end, and because I'm have the large piece of a metal piece right here, so I'm going to seal it using this instead of using a needle pins, because this one is going to be faster. All right. So here for 60 seconds on this one. Here, let me do the camera really quick.